And now, lend us your ears for an update from Nebraska Corn.
On this week's program, we are going to learn about a project that the Nebraska Corn Board has funded, taking a look at how we can recycle road surfaces and use corn products in the process. We're visiting with Robert Ray, is a civil engineer with the Nebraska Department of Transportation, and Dr. Hamzeh Haghshenas is a research assistant professor at UNL. Robert, give us a little bit of background about the technique of road resurfacing and what's going on here in the state of Nebraska.
When we go and do a resurfacing job, we mill the roadway and we're able to use about 50% of the material goes right back into the mix, so making it much more economical. Nebraska is actually the leader in the nation. We use the highest recycle amounts in our roadway resurfacing projects.
And Hamzeh, I understand that, in this process, they are looking at using vegetable oils, including corn oil, as a component in that process, huh?
Yes, that's correct. They are very powerful. They are green technology and affordable and safe. We found out that there are some concerns about vegetable-based oils. For example, the line-chem performance and the moisture resistance of, these materials. There are some concerns, but we have some magic that we can address these issues.
And now is where we enter, the help from corn farmers through the Nebraska Corn Board. Hamzeh, describe the project that has been funded by the Nebraska Corn Board. What have you proposed to them?
We presented to them our idea about using corn oil as a recycling agent. 4 phases for this project. So in phase 1, we're going to produce corn oil which can resist aging, which can resist moisture. So in phase 2, we're going to use the corn oil that we produce in phase 1 and add to the asphalt binder and try to evaluate the performance of asphalt binder treated by corn. In phase 3, we're going to add these binders, the corn oil, in the asphalt mixture. And in phase 4, we're going to have a field implementation project, and probably, we are not sure right now, but we are thinking about 1-mile road paved using corn oil, and we're going to monitor that section probably for 1 or 2 years.
And Robert, I'll come back to you and ask, is there any idea how much of a demand this could create?
Right now, we just took all of the tonnage that we produce here, and if we used it in all of our paving, it's about 6,000 tons of liquid corn oil.
And that's for 1 year?
Yeah.
Again, we've been visiting with Dr. Hamzeh Haghshenas. He's a research assistant professor in the UNL Department of Civil and Environment Engineering, and also Robert Ray, a civil engineer with the Nebraska Department of Transportation, telling us again how corn oil can be part of a solution in resurfacing roads.